Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope all of you will be fine by grace of Allah. Student, as you know that we are completing phase 5, and in phase 5 we are doing chapter 5 of history, Mughal Empire, ascendancy of the British. Today we will cover day 1 and day 2 planning. Today the topics for discussion are role of women initiated by Shah Waliullah Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, and the next we will discover role of movement initiated by Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed and Jihad movement. We will also cover long question number 7 because this question is related to both these topics. Hazrat Shah Waliullah. Do you know about Hazrat Shah Waliullah? Who is he? What he did for Muslims? Role of movement initiated by Hazrat Shah Waliullah. Initiated mean to do first step. Hazrat Shah Waliullah was born in 1703 AD in Delhi. His name was Ahmad and his title was Shah Waliullah. He was called Shah Waliullah because he was a religious person. He lived for Islam and died for Islam. He did lot of efforts for Muslims. Hazrat Shah Waliullah started his movement at such a time when disappointment and hopelessness was everywhere. He visited foreign lands and tried to strengthen the Muslim rule. He invited Muslims towards fight of Allah Almighty because they were engulfed in anarchy. Do you know the meaning of engulf? Engulf means swamp or immerse. He passed away in 1762 AD. Next is Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed. This is Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed was born in 1786 AD in the Indian city of Bareilly. He visited many places to guide the Muslims and preaching of Islam. At the time of Punjab and NWFP means Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, they were ruled by Sikhs who became a nuisance for Muslim community. Sayyid Ahmad Shaheed resolved to take sword against them. He gathered and prepared an army of faithful warriors. He conquered Peshawar in 1830 AD and forced Islamic law and banned type of intoxicants, means all the things that are forbidden in Islam. Sayyid Ahmad and Sayyid Ismail earned the honor of martyrdom. You know the meaning of martyrdom? It means shaheed, who gave his life for Islam. So student, it was all today's lecture. You have to learn these two topics and you have to write these two topics on your notebook. Take care. See you next.